All right, day 53, April 9, Unicorn is filming. We're gonna dedicate day 53. We're headed to McAfee Knob. You know what I think? And you've heard it. I think McAfee Knob is for the birds. Boom, day 53, April 9. You hear the birds in the background, unicorns back there. We just rolled out of camp, really cold again. Let's see what the temperature is. Beautiful birds, 37 degrees right now on the chest. Beautiful water source back there. We just went through that gate because we're about to go see what? Maybe a little bit of moo-moo?
A little bit of moo-moos.
All right, we're on our way to McAfee Knob, right?
Yeah.
Everyone know what that, everyone taking pictures there. Let's see. We'll see some day hikers today, Sunday. Maybe they can help us take some pictures. Let's see what the day has in store for Red on Unicorn on the way to McAfee Knob. Thank you, bird. Just have to stop and look at the beauty. Look at that. Look at the contrast in color. Unicorn pointed out at the end there's hay barrels.
Yeah, down there by the bridge.
We're listening for the Carolina chickadee. There it is. You hear it? Right there. That's the Carolina chickadee. Just IDing it. In the previous clip actually was the tufted titmouse. There it is. Carolina chickadee. Awesome. We're gonna learn these birds together. Blue-headed viro. It's a blue-headed viro. That was a pine warbler. Look at this big rock. As I zoom out, it's this wall. I see it, and then contrast. Well, right there's unicorn. So it's this long big rock.
I like it.
Long big rocks. You hear those birds? McAfee Knob is for the birds, but I can tell you what, it's for the birds and also for the humans because man, it's gonna be a busy day up there today. That parking lot is full. Day 53. You know, as I was thinking, I was saying McAfee Knob is for the birds, but today is Happy Easter. You're getting this on a 24-hour delay. Happy Easter. Maybe McAfee Knob isn't just for the birds. Maybe it's also for the bunnies. Happy Easter. A little bit to go up here, headed northbound. Catch you on the flip. Okay, this is a white-breasted something. I'll put it up on screen. Right there. I'll call right there. I'll put it up on screen. We made it to the top. That is a tufted titmouse right there. We got that call, right? Everyone has that ID'd. It is day 53. We got to the knob. I think McAfee Knob is for the birds. What do you think? I think that tufted titmouse thinks so. You think so? I think so. Let's get a view of it. So we're here at the top of McAfee Knob. And we're not gonna fall over, but this is the POV view. I'm not sure of how many people have been able to do that, but
pose for a picture?
yeah, pose for a picture. Hold on here. I want to give everyone a view of the top. So once again, here's the pan. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We have to crush some miles today. There's the view. There's the view. Day 53. We have some friends at the top of the knob here. It's Happy Easter. Who do we have here to our left?
Hi.
And?
Jill.
Very beautiful. Taking pictures up there. They got off the knob for us, so we can do a quick one. Who do I have here behind me?
Todd.
Okay, Todd. Todd and who?
Rowan.
Rowan. I love the flags, brother. We got it, right? Right? We got to go America, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, say can you see, brother?
Safe
We're gonna
travels,
get yeah. Happy Easter. We're gonna catch this on day 53. That'll come out in 24 hours. Happiest snow time, everybody. Happiest snow time.
Happiest snow time.
Okay, so we are at the other side of McAfee Knob because it's a little bit more private here, and I've got the microphone out. Look at that view, everybody. But I've got something really special behind me here besides this beautiful view. Again, I wanted to give the public some of their privacy on McAfee Knob, so we have this great view on this side. But behind me, everyone here heard us talking about the Roanoke Club, right? Yeah. And what a good job they do out there in the field. Freshly cut trees, the trail, the steps, everything is so well maintained. Who do we have right here? Susan. So sorry, I don't have the second mic out. So Susan, and what do you do here on trail? We're out in the middle here of McAfee Knob. What do you exactly do for this club?
I'm a ridge runner with the Roanoke Appalachian Trail Club, which means I come out to the very popular sites like McAfee Knob, Dragon's Tooth, and Tinker Cliffs and talk to people, especially if they haven't been up the trail. We mostly get day hikers. Make sure they have water, aren't wearing flip-flops, understand how long and difficult the trails might be.
You know what? It is kind of difficult.
To prevent rescues, basically.
This part of the trail is kind of difficult. I was actually surprised. We've been hiking since Georgia, and you can come up here from a day hike. It could be pretty dangerous, right?
Well, yeah. Well, so you've probably gone through Dragon's Tooth?
Yes.
That's probably the most technically challenging part of the trail in Virginia. In Virginia,
yeah. So thank you for your
Sure.
service here and your efforts. I just think it's the great club. I love the trail. Thank you very much. This will be on episode day 48. It'll be out in 24 hours. But thank you.
All right, great. Nice to talk to you.
All right, thank you. Right here, if I can give you a clear shot of what we just climbed out on day 53. Came from over there. For whatever reason, we went kind of backwards. So we're like just double checking, but the white blazes are here. We came up on this side. Of course, we're headed the correct direction on this side. But look at that. Just taking it in. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna climb up these rocks. Alrighty then. Here's my turn. Put the trekking poles, excuse me, on the side. Just step. Take your time. Hurry up. This is why we do it. Right there a little bit. The other day it was raining and pouring, 39 degrees, and you're doing these ridges and you're just like, ah. A few days later, feels like you're walking in a warm autumn day through these leaves. It's weird, but it's beautiful. Seeing the seasons change and parts of the mountains that change but don't change, depending upon how much sun and wind is getting through. It's kind of an amazing thing. So with that note, I'm going to concentrate on hiking down, headed northbound, headed towards Daleville. We have to climb all the way up there. My sneakers are squealing. You hear that? Hear that? Look at that big rock behind you.
Nice one.
Yep, they're like these little caverns you go in between them. They are pretty sweet. It's a nice day. Look at those views over there. Unbelievable. What a day. Look at this guy.
We don't go through it though.
Oh, we don't. We go that way.
Did you see this is a cool AT sign right here.
Oh, I almost, wow. I almost goofed up. Look at that. In real time. Good eye. I guess we go over here. Wow. Okay. And it twists. So beautiful. As you guys can see, I'm panning here. Here's to the right of me. And you just saw, I try to catch that big old hawk. It keeps fluttering underneath these trees. The wingspans are pretty massive. And they just soar in these mountains here.
I think they're vultures.
Or vultures? Okay. Wow. There it is in the distance flying. Wow, this is so pretty. I really am having a grand time in Virginia. I can't tell you enough how much I appreciate the trail and the volunteers to give us happiest known time out here. I mean, as you can see, that's a deep cavernous fall right there. Sometimes I do that and I'm like, it's nasty. All right. Let's see what the rest of the evening has in store for Rental and Unicorn as we're winding this day down. Coming from the iconic McAfee Knob. Look at that. I wonder what little town that is right there. Just zoomed in on it. But look at that. Beautiful landscape. Clarity all the way through the mountains. Wouldn't want to be anywhere else. It's called happiest known time, baby.
I'll bring next snake.
Alright, so day 53. I think I have to just, before we even get the triplex set up, this might be, and I think we read in Far Out Guides, Gut Hooks, that Unicorn read that this is like one of the best tent sites. And I'm like, yeah, we keep walking. And it is absolutely gorgeous. If you just check out the sun right there, Unicorn's looking at that flat spot right there. There's the campfire. Let me walk over here. There's a bear can further in the distance, as you can see. Bear box. Yep. Oh yeah, bear box, I'm sorry. There's a hill up there. More flat camp spots. Look at the green growing in. It is beautiful. And then the white blaze is actually over there. You cross that little log right there. That log. And there's the White Blaze Bridge right there. In the morning we'll go to continue our northbound journey to Katahdin. But I think this is the spot that we're going to camp tonight, with that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful little creek coming down there. And I'll be able to fall asleep to that. Boom. Day 53. It is the end of day 53. So let's talk about mileage.
Oh, we did about 16 today.
About 16. And saw a lot of big boulders. You were zipping through.
Yeah.
I could have took so much more footage. There was a lot of big boulders in this section. McAfee, however you pronounce it, the knob. I think it was for the birds, but also for the tourists, right?
Yeah, lots of people. It's Easter Sunday, so happy Easter. But yeah, there was a lot of people up here.
Yep, April 9. I think today's April 9. But yeah, a lot of day hikers. I still think it's for the birds.
Yeah.
I tell you what, that's something. So learning the bird calls, really interesting stuff. Roanoke Club, we met Susie. She was cool.
Yep.
We've been saying a lot of good things about that Roanoke Club. This whole section's been very well taken care of. Freshly cut downs, and you can smell them. It's been very enjoyable the way the trail has turned out. But I think we hit it all. Really enjoyed shooting today. There's been a lot of interesting footage to shoot, and really had a good time. The mileage was good. We're making our way to Daleville, living happiest known time, having so much fun. It is a good time out here, and really had a good time here. Happy Easter, and I think that's about it, Unicorn. We're going to get some rest. We'll see what day 54 has in store for Rental and Unicorn. And thank you for watching so very much on this beautiful happy Easter on the Knob.